Howdy. So in this assignment, we are going to convert the store app to a client server application to access all the data inside the database through the client server architecture. So we should use the database from the store app. It has some entities like address, credit card, orders, products, receipt, and users. And to access the database, I wrote a data server and data client and also a data adapter, which is the most important part of this project is the data adapter. Data adapter encapsulates all the queries and everything that is related to the database. For instance, get address or print the data from the database. And data server uses the data adapter to print some information. You can read more about my code inside the README file. I tried to explain each part, but now let's test the server and client. So I'm going to run the server and then run the client. When we run the client, the server asks for an entity type like address, credit card, order, product, receipt, user, and if the user hits quit, it just ends the program. So if I hit quit, it just exits and I have to run it again. If I enter an invalid entity type like some random string, then the server raises an error and it says it is an invalid entity type. Please insert a valid entity type. So I'm going to enter user and then it asks for an ID. So if we take a look at the database, we have user ID 1. So if I enter an invalid ID like 12, then it says there is no user with ID 12. And if I hit 1, it prints all the information in the database. Also, let's print like credit card and let's hit number 17 and you can see the data here. Also for order 1, and if we go to order, you can see the values here.